What do we mean by adversity? Adversities are the hard times we face in our lives. So much severe, like dealing with a chronic illness or the loss of a loved one. But they can also be the stress and frustration of ordinary daily life. But if we look around, it's not hard to see that different people have very different reactions to the same adversity. Caught in a traffic jam, one person will start honking the horn in anger. Another will try to listen to some quiet music while simply waiting. Psychologist Alberto had a theory why people respond so differently to stress. He came up with a model to help us understand this. He called it the ABC model. A is adversity, B is our beliefs about the adversity, and C represents the consequences of that adversity. It's how we feel and do about the adversity. Here's an example of the ABC model in action.
My boyfriend arrived 2 hours late. How incredibly rude. This shows complete lack of respect for me. I was angry and I could barely speak to him, and I couldn't enjoy the evening with him at all.
If we look, we see that B and C are highly connected. The belief that her boyfriend does not respect her leaves her with such angry feelings, and the anger blocks her enjoyment of the evening. Another person could have a very different reaction to the same adversity.
Rohan arrived 2 hours late. Why didn't he call me and let me know that he would be late? He must be getting sick of hanging out with me. I thought we were the perfect couple. I guess that's over now. I was so hurt and so sad. I told him that I do not want to go out with him anymore.
In this case, the feeling that her friendship was ending led to sad feelings. The ABC model shows that it is not the adversity that causes the reactions, but it is our beliefs that result in the way we react to certain situations. It is our belief that impacts the way we feel and what we do about it.
The ABC model helped me to realize why I was so stressed at certain situations, and it has helped me to analyze my reactions and reactions of others better, and thus helped me to improve my relationships.
When I identified my beliefs, I found it easier to solve my problems. The ABC model has helped me to understand myself better and has given me greater control over my reactions.
It has helped me to work my way through and react with empathy and patience. You know what? The ABC model works for me.